The Australian copperhead, scientifically known as Austrelaps, is a species of venomous snake found in southeastern Australia. It belongs to the family Elapidae, which includes other venomous snakes such as the taipans and cobras. Here's a detailed explanation of the Australian copperhead. Copperheads typically grow to around 1.2 to 2 meters, or about 4 to 6.5 feet in length. Their name comes from the distinct copper or reddish-brown coloration on their head, although the body coloration can vary. Typically the body is brown, reddish-brown or olive with lighter patterns that help it blend into the environment. The tail can be a bit darker. The head is relatively large and has a noticeable copper-like hue, especially in males during mating seasons. They are slender snakes with smooth, glossy scales that give them a sleek appearance. Copperheads are primarily found in southeastern parts of Australia, particularly in the states of Victoria, New South Wales, Tasmania, and parts of South Australia. They are commonly found in temperate regions and are typically associated with forests, woodlands, and heathlands. They can also inhabit areas near wetlands and rivers. During the colder months, they tend to seek shelter in rocky crevices, hollow logs, or burrows. As a venomous snake, the copperhead is capable of delivering a dangerous bite if threatened. The venom of the Australian copperhead is primarily neurotoxic, affecting the nervous system as well as hemotoxic properties that can damage tissue and blood cells. While bites can be serious and require immediate medical attention, they are rarely fatal due to antivenoms and medical treatment. The copperhead is often shy and reclusive, preferring to avoid human contact. However, when threatened, it can become defensive and may strike with great speed. They primarily feed on small mammals, birds, amphibians, and reptiles. Their diet varies depending on the availability of prey in their habitat. Copperheads are ovoviviparous, meaning that they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. The young are born in late summer or early autumn after a gestation period of several months. Mating occurs in the warmer months like spring and early summer, and after fertilization the female carries the developing embryos until they are ready to be born. The number of offspring varies, with females typically giving birth to 5 to 15 young snakes per litter. While the Australian copperhead is not currently listed as an endangered species, it faces some threats due to habitat destruction and human activities. Urbanization, farming, and land clearing can reduce their natural habitat. However, they are not considered to be at immediate risk. Although the copperhead is venomous, they are generally not aggressive toward humans and will typically try to flee when approached. Bites are uncommon and usually occur when the snake feels threatened or cornered. If bitten, it is important to seek medical help immediately. The recommended first aid includes keeping the affected area still, applying pressure to the wound if possible, and avoiding movement. The patient should be rushed to a hospital where antivenom can be administered. Copperheads are known for their highly efficient hunting strategies. They are ambush predators, often waiting motionless for prey to come close before striking. Despite their venomous nature, they are not as aggressive as other more dangerous Australian snakes, such as the inland taipan or coastal taipan. They play an important role in controlling rodent populations, helping maintain ecological balance.